Hey guys, it's Josie, and in this video I'm cleaning up a bit and just getting ready for summer. I was gonna have this be like a June reset video, but I've just been so busy I haven't gotten around to it. So I do a few things like change my sheets. I also didn't film, but I took out my trash and I organized some things under my bed and in my short dresser that's like my nightstand and threw some things away. So I didn't film those two things, but I did film the other stuff that I did. And I also started working on a new sewing project for a future video. So this is just a sneak peek of that. And yeah, let's just get right into the video. So this video is kind of all over the place, so I wanted to prepare for summer, but also just show you guys some of the things that I did this year, end of spring, early summertime. So I know it's not technically summer yet because it's the beginning of June, but we're close enough that I'm just going to say that June is summer. But anyway, I went ahead and started by taking off my springtime bed sheets. So I like to put these on for the spring because it's just these really pretty blue flowers in this floral pattern all over. And then I went ahead and put on my summertime sheets. They're just these blue and white striped sheets, and they just remind me of the summertime. So I went ahead and put those on my bed and then put my blankets back on and my pillows and my couple stuffed animals, and then my bed was ready to go. So the next thing I did was actually go through, I have a couple boxes that I got from this subscription that I have, and I wanted to go ahead and give some things to my friends because I am not going to use all of the stuff or, ever hang it up, just because it's not, I feel like they would like it more and appreciate it more. And there's some things that I already have. For example, some car vent clips. I already have some of those, so I went ahead and gave those away to one of my friends, and I just split up the things that I thought they would like into two different boxes to give them. It was also my one friend's birthday, so I added this into her birthday gift bag. This was a completely different day, but I went ahead and repainted our front door white. So this day it wasn't too hot, it wasn't cold, it wasn't raining, so it was the perfect time to paint our front door. And I just went ahead and put a fresh coat of white paint on top because it really needed it this year. And I just went ahead and did that really quick, and I also painted some of the trim in our dining room. And then the same day as I was painting this door, we actually took the cover off of our pool so we could try and get it open for the summer, and we started filling it up the rest of the way that it needed to be filled so that we could start running the filter and get some chlorine in there to clean it so we could actually swim in it and vacuum the bottom and everything like that. And then I also went ahead and fixed some of the clothes that I bought. I'm planning on wearing a couple of these for vacation, and these were quick and easy fixes. I just had to fix the top of the orange piece and then take in both sides of this green skirt just a little bit. So these were super quick and easy fixes, and I just went ahead and got them out of the way since I knew that leading up to vacation I definitely would not have time. And then the project that I mentioned in the intro to this video, I had to make another pattern for it, so I just went ahead and organized those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, you can like and subscribe down below or leave a comment on what you want to see next, and have a nice day!